In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the iMessage background on iOS 18. Now, with Apple's latest iOS release, there's so much more you can do to personalize your messaging experience. One of the exciting new features in iOS 18 is the ability to change the background of your iMessage conversations, not permanently, but with some awesome and dynamic visual effects. I'm going to walk you through this process step by step, so let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Messages app. You can do this right from your home screen or by swiping down on your phone to access the search feature and typing in messages. Once you're in, either start a new conversation or open an existing one. It doesn't matter whether you're messaging an individual or a group, the effect works in any conversation. Next, compose your message. Just type whatever you want to send in the text box. This could be a simple hello, or maybe something more elaborate if you're feeling chatty. Once you've written your message, you're going to press and hold down the send button. You know the one is that familiar blue arrow pointing upwards. By holding down the send button, you're going to be prompted with a couple of options. The one we're interested in today is at the top and is labelled screen. Go ahead and tap on screen and let's take a look at what awaits you. Now comes the fun part. You're going to see a series of screen effects that can be applied to your message. These background effects are designed to add a little pizzazz to your conversation. You can swipe through these effects to preview them. There's echo, which sends multiple bubble copies of your message. Spotlight, which highlights your message brightly, and other effects like balloons, confetti, and the festive fireworks. Each has its own unique animation, and each can really make your message stand out. Once you've found the effect that suits your mood or the message you're sending, all you need to do is tap Send Again to apply it. This will send your message along with the chosen background effect, impressing your recipient with a touch of flair. It's important to note that these effects are temporary. They don't permanently alter the background of your iMessage conversation. Instead, they provide that extra visual effect each time you choose to use them. It's a great way to keep things lively and dynamic in your chats. And there you have it. You now know how to change your iMessage background using screen effects on iOS 18. It's all about adding a personal, creative touch to your messages, and I hope you have fun experimenting with these new features. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.